before, after, before, after, before, after.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started.
At first, select the picture. Go to the light. Exposure plus 21. Contrast minus 26. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 51. Whites minus 100. Black plus 83. And go to the curve. White, and go to the next. Go to the green color. Go to the next color. At last, go to the mixed. And done. And go to the color panel. Vibrance plus 25. Saturation minus 16. And go to the grading. Shadows. Saturation 14. Blending 100. Balance 84. Slide up and go to the next. Highlights hue 197. Saturation 12. Slide up and done. Go to the effects. Texture plus 12. Clarity plus 4. TH plus 7. Slide down and go to the profiles. Select artistic 3. Artistic 3 by 54 and done. Go to the 3 dot, copy settings and done. Before, after. Next picture. Go to the 3 dot, paste settings. Go to the 3 dot, paste settings. And done. Close your preset.